Hello, reception. Welcome to your first maths lesson of the week. A big well done to all of you for all your maths so far online. This is our last week of maths lessons, and this week we're going to be comparing sizes. Okay, we're going to be comparing the length of things. But before we compare the length of things, we're going to just compare the size of things. Okay, just as a little warm up for us. But before we do that, let's get on with our do now. So you will need a pencil and a piece of paper, or a pen and a whiteboard, or a pen and a piece of paper, whatever you have at home to write something down with. So get that now and pause the video, and then we'll get on with our warm-up. Okay, boys and girls, you should have your pencil and pen, whatever, ready. Let's get started. So I'm going to drag some apples into here. I'm going to drag some apples in here, and then we're going to do a takeaway. So, for example, if I did 2 in here and 1 in here, then you'd have 2 takeaway, 1 equals, and you have to go and work it out. Okay, so let's have a go together. So let's go 1. Ooh. Just reorder that, sorry. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, take away 1, 2. 4 take away 2 equals. So pause the video, write it down, and try and work it out. Off you go. Okay, let's have a look at that together. So we have got 4 take away 2 equals. So how many cubes do I need? Well done if you said 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. How many do I need to take away? 2. 1, 2. How many have we got left over? 2. 4 take away 2 gives us 2. Well done, boys and girls. Let's do one more together. So let's go onto the board again. And we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 take away 3. 7 take away 3 equals. So pause the video, write that down, and then have a go, and then we'll work it out together afterwards. Off you go. Okay, boys and girls, let's have a go at that together. So we had 7 take away 3 equals. 7 take away 3 equals. How many cubes do I need? Good. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 cubes. Taking away how many? Yes, I'm going to take away 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. How many cubes have I got left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 take away 3 gives us 4. Very good, boys and girls. I hope that was clear for you. Okay, let's get on to this week's new learning. Today we are learning to order objects by size. We will be successful if you can order objects from smallest to biggest. You can have a group of you can group the small objects together, and if you can group the big objects together. Okay. Our star words are big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest. Okay. So our new learning looks like this. So we have got 3 circles here. I have got 3 circles. Now my circles are all different sizes. Okay. Over here, I have got a very big circle. This is a very big circle. Over here, I've got a very small circle. It's very, very small. And here, I've got the middle-sized circle. So it's the middle-sized circle. My very big circle, I can say, is the biggest. It's the biggest circle. Can you say that? This is the biggest circle. Over here, I have the smallest circle. Can you say this is the smallest circle? Okay, I'm going to order my circles from biggest to smallest. So this is my biggest circle, so I'm going to put it at the start. So I'll move that one over down there for a minute. That goes over there. Then I put my medium-sized circle in the middle and my smallest circle at the end. So this is my biggest circle, this is the medium-sized circle, and this is the smallest. Now, if I wanted to order them from smallest to biggest, I have to swap them around, wouldn't I? So I'll put that down there. I don't put that one at the start. I have to put the smallest one first. Then I put the medium size. Then I put the biggest. So this is my smallest circle. Then I've got my medium-sized circle. Finally, or lastly, I've got my biggest circle. Okay, I'm going to order some objects for you on the visualizer. So, I have got some dice here. I have got 4 different sized dice here. Okay, now I'm going to order them from biggest to smallest, and then I'm going to order them from smallest to biggest. So this one here is my biggest one, so it's going to go here. And then what's next? When I put my finger over the next biggest one, I want you to tell me to stop. Very good. That one's next. Oh, it's getting harder now. Which one's the next biggest? When I put my finger over it, tell me to stop. Well done. That one's the next biggest. And then finally, we've got the smallest. Okay, so I could write that. I can write biggest. Biggest. Oh, sorry, I need to spell biggest correctly. Biggest. And over here we've got the smallest. Okay, so I've got my biggest dice going down into my smallest. Now I'm going to swap them round. I'm going to mix them all up again. And I'm going to go smallest first. So when you see the smallest one, when I put my finger on the smallest one, I want you to tell me to stop. Ready? Very good. There's our smallest. I'm going to write smallest next to it. Smallest. And then let's what's the next smallest? Let's see. Is that it? What about that one? What about that one? Very good. That's the next one. Okay, what comes next then? That one? No. That one? Yes, well done. And then the pink one is the biggest. Well done. Okay, so we've got the smallest up to the biggest. Okay. I have got some teddy bears here as well. So I'm going to go back onto the visualizer. I have got 2 teddy bears here. I have got a big teddy bear, and I have got a little teddy bear. Now, if you have got a big teddy bear and a little teddy bear at home, can you pause the video and go and get them? Or if you've got a big cuddly toy and a little cuddly toy, can you pause the video and go and get them, please? Okay, boys and girls, if you have done that, we are going to do a talk task now. So I'm going to show you what to do first, and then you're going to pause the video and speak with your adult about your cuddly toys or your teddy bears. Okay, so the red teddy bear is bigger than the blue teddy bear. The blue teddy bear is smaller than the red teddy bear. So I'm using the word bigger, and I'm using the word smaller. I could also say the red teddy bear is the biggest. So I'm using the word biggest. I could also say the blue teddy bear is the smallest. So I'm using the word smallest. So I'm going to have a go at saying some sentences now, and then you're going to pause the video and have a go yourself. The red teddy bear is bigger than the blue teddy bear. The red teddy bear is the biggest. The blue teddy bear is smaller than the red teddy bear. The blue teddy bear is the smallest. Okay, boys and girls, pause the video, have a go at saying those sentences with your adult, and then we'll come back together for the next part. Off you go. Okay, boys and girls, well done at having a go at that. Now what we're going to do is have a go at grouping some things. So I'm going to use my teddy bears here. You can use whatever you like to have a go at your grouping. Maybe cuddly toys would be good for you to do. Okay, so we have got a big circle here, and we have got a little circle. So if I draw a big and little circle now, I draw a big circle and I draw a little circle. Now if I have got 3 teddy bears here, okay, and they're different sizes. Some of them are big, some of them are small. Now, where would I put my big teddy bears? Would I put them in a big circle? Or would I put them in a little circle? If you said I should put them in the big circle, well done. I will put them in the big circle because they're big teddy bears, so they can go in the big circle. This is my big group, and I can write that. Big. Where should I put my little teddy bear? Should he go in the big group? No, the little teddy bear shouldn't go in the big group. Where should he go? Should he go in the bin? No, he shouldn't go in the bin. He should go in the little or the small group. Okay, small group. Okay, so we've got a big group and we've got a little group. Small group. Okay, big and small. Okay, boys and girls, your independent task today is going to be to collect up some teddy bears from your house, okay, and put them into a big pile and a small pile. Okay, so you get some teddy bears. Let me just. Okay, so you're going to get some teddy bears, boys and girls, and you can, of different sizes, and then you're going to make two groups, okay? A big pile for the bigger ones and a small pile from the small ones, okay? After you do that, you can choose 4 or 5 teddy bears and you can order them in size. So you can start with the biggest and then get smaller and smaller and smaller, okay? Once you've got them in a nice order, okay, you should you practice using the words we've been using our vocabulary. So you can say this is the biggest teddy bear, okay, and then you say this is the smallest teddy bear, okay. This teddy bear is big, this teddy bear is small, okay. Good luck, boys and girls. I look forward to seeing your work on Seesaw. All right, goodbye.